I should do though. I know what this is?
No.
The arrows are the same, but it's actually flipped. Like it's left, down, up, right?
Yeah.
But and they're facing that way?
Right, up, down,
Yeah.
left. Oh god. That would just screw with my mind.
Spaz. It's a good one. Love those.
Oh, he's not wearing a shirt now.
I love this too.
Somebody been your mind. What the hell?
Let's see.
It's good. Let's do something crazy.
Okay, yeah.
Let's do it.
I think it was this one.
Oh, think. We went to WinDEU's with her. Oh man, he's got 3 of those face thingies on.
No, I have one.
Oh, one? I thought I saw 2.
More than 2. Oh shit.
Notice how the combos above. Hey, dude, it looks like a pile of Dave. Okay, I really want to see what the actual script for that is.
100% hallway, 100% mini. And other stuff.
Oh, that's why it's split. Oh my god.
Got it?